Hello, and welcome to another big huge Gary's Mod tutorial. This is Boydie, and this time I'm going to be showing you some fun with a colorer. For this example, you'll need to be in the white room on construct, and we'll get straight into it. Okay, spawn a Phoenix plate, guy like this. Hit up your wire menu. Again, go to wire control, find gate arithmetic, spawn 3 random chips wherever you want. Okay. While you're in wire control, go down to gate time, scroll down until you find the pulsar. Spawn one of those somewhere. Scroll down again to wire I/O. You've got constant value. You want to spawn 2 of these. Important thing with one of them is the value needs to be 255. We'll spawn that guy on that side. We want another one, but change the value to 0.5. I'll explain why these values in a second as well. Spawn him on the other side. Let's scroll down to a numpad input so we can turn this bad boy on and off. Toggled what key you want, value on 1, value off 0. Spawn him, and then we want under wire physics the colorer, and just spawn that right bang in the middle. Okay, that's the easy part over and done with. Now scroll right down to the bottom, select your wire tool. Now we've got to wire this bad boy up. Okay, when you hover over the colorer, when you right click, you can pick all the options. Main one is RGB. You want to wire R to the first random, G to the second, and B to the third. Then you want to wire B of each chip at the top, random chip, to your first constant value, which is 255, making sure that each random chip you're wiring from B to the constant value. Come down to the pulsar down here, right click until you find tick time. You want to wire from the tick time of the pulsar to this constant value, which is 0.05. Then you want to right click on the pulsar until you find run. You want to wire from there to the numpad input, and then you just want to wire fire from the colorer to the pulsar. And then if all goes to plan, when you find the wall, and you press the number that corresponds to that, you get a little nice color changey thingy. Now if we come back to these constant values here, this 0.05, what that basically is saying, that it's telling the wall to change color every 0.05 of a second. So if you want to really cause some mayhem, find your constant value, type 0.05. So it's going to change color every 0.05 of a second. Spawn that on there, and now look at the mayhem that we've got. You can have a play with it on each wall. Now this colorer actually colors absolutely everything, so it colors props, it colors players, ragdolls, absolutely everything. But yeah, just something cool I worked out one day, and maybe you can add it to your nightclub with the strobe light that I made in my other tutorial. Well, again, have fun causing many epileptic fits. I dare you to stare at that for 10 minutes.